Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Selenium JAR files in IntelliJ. We'll cover two main approaches: manually adding JARs and using build tools like Maven or Gradle. Understanding these methods is crucial for setting up your automation projects efficiently. By the end, you'll be ready to start writing your Selenium tests with confidence. Let's get your environment configured properly for web automation development. First, let's look at manually adding JAR files. Open your project in IntelliJ, then go to File, Project Structure, and select Modules. Under the Dependencies tab, click the plus icon to add JARs or directories. Browse to your downloaded Selenium library files, select them all, and click OK. This method gives you direct control over which specific JARs are included in your project. A more robust and recommended approach is using build tools. If you're using Maven, open your POM XML file and add the Selenium Java dependency. For Gradle, you'll edit your build Gradle file to include the Selenium dependency. After adding, refresh your project to download the necessary JARs automatically. This ensures all required libraries are managed efficiently and consistently across your team. Now that you've added the Selenium JARs, it's important to verify your setup. Create a simple Java class and try importing a Selenium class like WebDriver. If there are no errors, you're good to go. Next, write a basic test script to open a browser and navigate to a website. This confirms everything is working as expected, preparing you for more complex automation tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.